TrapEze disposable dusting sheets remove dirt, sand, dust, and hair from all hard surfaces, including floors, baseboards, molding, vents, and counters. These single-ply double-sided sheets are constructed of non-woven fibers and externally coated on both sides with a proprietary adhesive that removes dust and debris, but leaves no sticky residue behind. Designed to fit a variety of dusting tools, sheets come in both 5 and 8-inch widths, which are perforated every 6 inches. Whether you're floor dusting with a conventional dusting tool or dust mop, high dusting, or dusting by hand, you'll know you're getting a superior clean not possible with conventional dusting applications. Since the powerful sheets are disposable, there's no need to launder or store unsanitary soiled mops, saving you money and providing a more hygienic facility. Ideal for hospitals, clinics, and other healthcare facilities. Disposable dusting sheets are also perfect for retail locations, hair salons, gyms, hospitality, educational facilities, and more. TrapEze traps and holds dust, dirt, sand, and debris for unsurpassed cleaning results. Find out more at www.americotrapeze.com.